Good day everyone, I'm Rose F. Sarmiento, BT Garments 1B. Mathematics in the Modern World. Topic: Population Growth. What is population growth? Population growth is the total number of people in a given area, and population growth is the change in the measure of the living people in a nation. Population growth can be positive or negative based on the number of deaths and births. If a country has a increased birth rates over death, the population increase, while more ends lead to a decrease. There are 7.7 billion people in this planet. Formula for getting the population growth is A equals to PE raised to RT. P is the initial number of people. R is the rate growth. T is the time. E is Euler's constant with an approximately value of 2.718. So, ang nawawala sa formula natin is ang A. Diba ang formula natin is A equals to PE raised to RT. So, ang gagawin natin ay isa-substitute lang ang lahat ng given dito sa formula natin. P is 980,000. E raised to 0.16 times 8. Using the calculator, i-encode lang po natin lahat ng number. So, the answer is 3,524,000 and 706.9.